into number 9. Which choice best states the function of the underlined sentence? So once again, we're trying to see how this underlined portion functions within this paragraph. So a study by a team including finance professor Madhu suggests that exposure to sunshine during the workday can lead to overly optimistic behavior. So that's sort of an exclamation of a certain principle. Using data spanning from 1994 to 2010 for a set of U.S. companies, the team compared over 29,000 annual earnings forecasts to the actual earnings later reported by those companies. So that's like some sort of data that they could use to analyze this. The team found that the greater the exposure to sunshine at work, the more the managed forecast exceeded what the company actually earned. So we had a concept when this is an example of how they figured it out, and then this is a conclusion, right? So which choice best states the function of the underlined sentence? To summarize the results. I don't think it really summarizes the results, right? To present a specific example that illustrates the study's findings. Kind of. This doesn't really illustrate anything, though. This part really illustrates the findings. C, to explain part of a methodology used in a team study. So that would probably be it, because they're kind of explaining how they, captured this data on earnings, and then this is more of the conclusion of what this all says, right? So I think this part, which they're asking about, would be choice C. If they ask you about this part, which they didn't, of course, that's where it probably would have been B, and then D is incorrect. Let's get into number 10.